Welcome back. In this video, we're making birthday cake Rice Krispies treats. 5.5 cups of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, melt in the microwave for about 60 seconds. Mix until no chunks remain. Then add 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Into a pan it goes. Flatten it out with a piece of parchment paper. Grab 1 package of white vanilla flavored melting wafers, or about 2 cups. Melt in the microwave. Pour over the top of the Rice Krispies. Rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or until the chocolate has hardened. Cut into rectangles. Mix 1 tablespoon of vanilla icing with 2 tablespoons of milk. Drizzle the icing over the Rice Krispies. On goes a hefty amount of rainbow sprinkles. And there we have it. Birthday cake Rice Krispies treats. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.